What are those?
Goggles.
Okay, welcome back to our channel, and this is our third vlog. So I know it's been a couple days late, but that's because there was Eid in Kashmir, actually everywhere. So we were busy with that. So today we have some things up for you. We have an update on our film. We have a really important topic that I feel we should talk about, and we don't often talk about the issue that you will get to know. So I'm supposed to go to this city. I'm gonna meet my friends. We can have some fun. Hold on. Yeah. So Eid was fun. We had a lot of fun actually. I didn't want to vlog that, but I did vlog some couple of things that we did after Eid. We had some barbecue. We went for a trip. Let's cut to that. Forgot my wallet. Let's go. Finally, I'm in the city. I had to drop my cousins somewhere first. Now I'm off to meet my friends. We're gonna meet Saqib first. Then Saqib and me are gonna go meet Labib because Labib is lapata as of now. So let's see where he is. What's up, Maulana Saqib Hussain Butt?
What's up, bitches?
तू पी रहा है मजूर की बोतलों से जीट.
क्या बोलते हैं, मजूर की है?
और क्या? इसमें स्प्राइट था कि पानी?
पता ही नहीं.
मुझे बता तेरी ईद कैसी थी?
ठीक ठाक थी.
क्या किया ईद पे?
कुछ नहीं, मौज वगैरह. और क्या?
और
क्या, बैठा था, सोया था. और क्या कर सकते हैं? और मैथ पढ़ा.
ईद के दिन?
हाँ, ईद के दिन पढ़ना जरूरी होता है.
Shaka. So my account got hacked apparently. My Instagram account. I just got a message from a friend that I had posted something which I didn't, and I checked. वहाँ पे पता बात. हाँ, तो वहाँ पे पता चला कि मेरा
एसी ऑन कौन करेगा?
हाँ,
एसी कौन ऑन करेगा?
तुम्हारे लिए मैं एसी क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कारपेट को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? कारपेट?
बता नहीं.
कारपेट को क्या बोलते हैं?
कारपेट को?
अब सुनो मेरी बात. तो क्या हो गया, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैक हो गया. द वियर्डेस्ट पार्ट इज पासवर्ड चेंज नहीं किया, बस पोस्ट किया है. बहुत ही अखंड हैकर है.
कोई लड़की ही होगी, आई गेस.
I just changed my password and everything. So we are going to Dhara. That's a surprise for you. And
guess who is the driver?
ओके देख. ओले और ठोकेगा. अरे ये सर आया. रोहित शेट्टी है ना गाड़ी में.
We will meet our beloved friends Zamran and Suhail Hassan Dar. No, actually
Suhail Hassan Dar.
He's Shah. No, he's Bill. I don't know what his surname is, but he's for us he is Billah.
something.
So Billah. No, sorry, Suhail Sahab से मिल रहे हैं. फिर पता चलेगा, फिर तेरे को बीवी नहीं मिली. उसने कहा बिल्ला कौन है? वो कितनी बड़ी बोत, गाड़ी चुराई है
क्या?
वो कितनी बड़ी बोत है मम बोत?
ये साकिब का पानी है.
ऊंट है. तुम्हारे रेगिस्तान में आया तो देख. पिकनिक है. He's the बिल्ला.
क्या बिल्ले ने?
इसको मैंने बोला यहाँ पे नहीं निकले.
मैंने बोला पानी, पता फिर करता क्या है? रुकता है, फिर एक्सटेंशन तेज देता है.
तुझे लासन किसने दिया? नकली चुर लासन लाया ना. तेरे सर के ऊपर पॉइंट कर, ऊपर ऐसे.
My name is Billa. So he is Zamran Hassan Dar. Sorry, cut the Dar. Dar cut now. So he is the only one I trust most. I love most.
ये क्या किया गाड़ी को?
ये बिल्ले की मेहरबानी.
He was off-roading. बिल्ले तो लगा गया था.
तू देख इसकी तरफ. ये क्या गांधे हुए? चढ़ा दे गाड़ी, चढ़ा दे इन पे, चढ़ा दे सीधा चढ़ा.
Can you please? We are the hitchhikers. Can you hitchhike
Can you please
us?
get the lift, sir?
Can you please hitchhike us?
उसने बोलते सहल आ गया, आवाज बोलेंगे कुछ बोलेंगे.
What the hell is going on?
तो अब क्या करना है?
अब क्या, हम तो यहाँ से आएंगे ना घूम के.
बाग यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचते हैं भाई. आस्था हमारे पहुँचते हैं.
तो यही से तो
यार उधर क्या.
Dead. बिल्ला खाता.
चलो क्या फायदा, दर आए यहाँ पे बांध दिए लबे.
तेरे पैर क्यों इतने बड़े और गंदे हैं?
अब मैं मुंह पे मारूंगा ये गंदा जूता.
देखो मैंने 12-13 साल पहले बहुत बड़ी गलती की है. मैंने इसको सलाम की.
मैंने बलंदर किया है.
मैं जो इन
वही कान के पास, कान के नीचे पटाखे जला रहे हैं यहाँ पे लोग.
अबे जल्दी बोल, शाम को घर जाना है.
सालों छोड़ा ही नहीं, आप तो पता नहीं किस गली के नीचे ले जाओगे हमें, ब्रिज के नीचे.
तेरी गलियां हुए.
लेकिन उस वाले गंदे रास्ते से लेना जहाँ से हम चढ़े, अच्छे वाले रास्ते तो जो मेन है उसका असली.
मैं तेरे को कालीन पे बिठा के ले जाऊंगा.
Let me tell you one thing. If you haven't done that, I don't know how you've lived there. You have to experience that once at least in your lifetime. Let's get to talking now. अब गुस्ल भी किया हमने तो मुझे लगता है अब नमाज पढ़ते हैं सीधे. So what I wanted to talk about was mental health. I myself, including everybody I know basically, is suffering from some kind of trauma, some kind of mental health issue, some kind of PTSD, especially in Kashmir, because of the issues, because of us seeing so much. This whole thing has just taken a big toll on all of us. I cannot sleep at night. Even if I sleep for good 10 hours, I find it very hard to get out of my bed. And when I'm sleeping also, I cannot go to sleep in one go. I get tremors. I start panicking sometimes. I panic a lot about very random things. I panic that I'm gonna have a panic attack. तो जब पहले I started getting affected by all these things, I thought it was weird at first, but also I didn't think it was to do with mental health specifically. Slowly and steadily I have realized by talking to other people who have the same issues that it is about mental health. It is about your mental well-being, because you absorb a lot of information, a lot of things throughout whatever you're doing in your life, and that has to take a toll on your mind.
So whatever Hiban was saying, it is somehow relatable to Kashmir these days, because as you're aware that every time I just open my Instagram or whatever social media I open, every day I just get a news that a 17-year-old girl, a 60-year-old woman, he just ended up her life, and the reason is unknown. So nobody is concerned why people are actually taking this major step. These people ending their life and leaving behind their family, not thinking about them. There is something that no one wants to know. So I'm not a psychiatrist. Still, in my opinion, there are a lot of things in Kashmir which are going, and people are very much under. People are under pressure, whether it is their family or because of their surrounding, or because of financial problems they are facing. So I think from all the situation, it pushes a person towards PTSD.
हाँ, जो भी हम कश्मीर में देख रहे हैं, people tend to take the wrong decision and most of the time take their lives, which is very sad. And I don't want to say it's their fault. I sort of blame everybody who has made mental health a taboo here in Kashmir and everywhere else. So I think we need to step up and fix this. That's what I wanted to say about me, that I personally want to start counseling. I have asked a few of my friends. They gave me some links to some good professionals, mental health professionals. Because for a lot of people that just means कि दिमाग का डॉक्टर, ये बंदा पागल है, he's taking पागलपन का इलाज, पागलपन की treatment, which is very weird, which is something that shouldn't be the way it is. It's not only in Kashmir, but yeah, everywhere. So I want to start talking to counselors because I feel that is the best way to treat something. I think it's really, really good if you talk about it. In my opinion, there are two good ways to tackle mental health issues. One is to be with the people who understand you and enjoy life with them, enjoy every moment with them. That takes your mind off these things. But that's not a treatment, that's just a temporary solution. What people should consider is taking treatment, getting it all out in front of a professional, in front of a counselor. There are things that you might think are happening to you, but it's a totally different thing that's happening and you don't know it. You might think you know yourself, but no. You have to have an outside perspective about what is happening within you.
We should talk about it, whether it is your friend, your family member, or even your neighbor, even your teacher, even your gym trainer, even anyone you trust. Number first is you trust, and secondly, most importantly, that person must have the solution. You can't say something to anyone, I have this problem, and he just listens and doesn't give you a positive response or give you a solution. You don't want to talk to that person who just hears you. You want to talk to that person who listens to you, जो आपको एक मशवरा दे, जो आपको बताए.
This is not just our problem. This has been going on for a very long time, from generations. Every time people just ignore it by saying कि कश्मीरी में कहते हैं कि एमशु वहम, इसको वहम को क्या बनेंगे इंग्लिश में, इसको delusions है, and people just have been brushing it away like that and are still trying to do that. But it's better to just get it out by me actually coming out and saying that I need professional help regarding my mental health. I hope that everybody who is looking at this video, who is watching this video right now, if you have even small minuscule issue you think you might be able to solve yourself, I think it's good if you go to a professional, if you talk, you understand what's happening, they tell you what you might not know. They might also let you know the things that you have never thought about. I have a lot of friends who are trying to create mental health awareness in Kashmir and who know good professionals. So if any of you want to get advice on your mental health, you should drop us a message. My Instagram link will be there. Nabeeb's will be also there. You can get in touch with us. We can get you in touch with good people who can help you.
At the end, I would like to say that never quit, man.
Yes.
We are the Ashraful Makhlukat.
Yes.
जिन्नों से भी ऊपर. Okay, so stay positive.
Stay positive. Get awareness about mental health. Talk to professionals if you need help, and kill
Do
it.
whatever you like to do, man.
Kill it.
Just live it, man.
So I think we had fun today. I am all wet. No puns.
I am all hot. I dried now.
Nabeeb man, ये क्यों किया तूने मेरे साथ? तूने मुझे गीला क्यों किया?
I like wet things.
ये सूखे 2 लोग आगे और हम गीले 3 लोग पीछे. क्या डिस्क्रिमिनेशन चल रहा है नबीब?
Hydro discrimination. This is called hydro discrimination.
गीले होने के बाद गरम कॉफी. Oh my god. Cheers.
Bolu? Now there is just one thing left to say. Subscribe! Bye.
हम बीच सड़क में खड़े हैं. तुझे पता है हम बीच सड़क में खड़े हैं. पीछे गाड़ी है कि हमें मारेगी. भाग.